Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will do problems on data structures by using Python. Okay, let's have a look into problems. Here I'm here. See what is the first problem? Find a largest element in an array. Okay, find the largest element in an array. Okay, see friends, these problems I will use only functions. Okay, by up to now, whatever I will do, those all problems by using functions only. I will do functions or oops concept. Okay, or data structures. Okay, in data structures also we have so many um stacks, queues, graphs. Okay, this type of concepts only I will use and I will implement the problems. Okay, please all of you concentrate on the logic. Okay, let's have a look into here. Find the largest element in the array. First we will define a function. Okay, when we are doing with concept with functions, sorry, when we are doing a problem with functions, at that time default we are using def keyword. Okay, this def keyword is indicate functions. Okay, this def keyword is indicate functions. This def is also a function. Okay, here def means definition of a function. Okay, definition of a function. Next, suppose here I need to find the largest element in the array. Okay, the largest element in the array. That's why here I am giving one name. That name is largest. Okay, here that, okay, largest number. Okay, largest number I am giving. This largest number we are calling as calling function or function name. Okay, calling function or function name. Okay, in this calling function, we are giving one variable that is array. Okay, that is array. This is also called as a parameters also, but here this is array I am giving. Next, what he is asking, find the largest element. Okay, we have lot of list methods are there. Okay, by using those list methods, we are doing lot of problems. Here what he is asking, largest number means, first definitely we will write the return statement. Okay, return statement. In the return statement he is asking max array. Okay, max array. Okay, here max is indicates the maximum number in that array. Okay, maximum number in that array. Up to here, okay, definition function completed. Okay, now we will see print the output. Here I need to print. Here see, I here first you take calling function. Okay, from here you take calling function largest number. Inside the calling function you will mention array list. Okay, you will mention the list of elements. Okay, list of elements, what are those? See, array means the set of elements based on the single data type. Okay, list means the set of elements based on the different data types or single data type, whatever may be. Okay, this is coming under, this is the difference between the list and array. But in Python there is no uh, proper concept on arrays. Okay, here list we are using as arrays in Python. Okay, now see here I'm taking as a random list. Okay, here I am taking, this is a list of elements. Okay, these are the list of elements, random list of elements. Okay, in this I need to find the largest number. In this I need to find the largest number. See the output here. See, this is 36 is the largest number. Okay, here 356 is the largest number. Suppose here I am removing 356. Next, what is the largest number? See here, 234 is the largest number. Okay, see, 234 is the largest number. This one. Okay, 234 is the largest. Suppose I want to give another set of list. Okay, I need to print another set of list. Take same largest number inside the largest. Okay, inside the largest number you have to give parameters. Suppose I am giving 63, 89. Okay, 63, 89 comma 3 comma 7 comma 237 comma 859 comma random numbers I am giving 1284 comma 3 comma like I am giving 7. Okay, this much of list I given. Then see the find the output. See, in first list of array 234 is the largest number. The second list of array 1289 is the largest number. Okay, in this way we have to find the largest number by using definitions. Okay, next let's have a look into another problem. Friends, now see the second problem. See, find the smallest number in an array. Okay, find the smallest number. Already same as it is previous problem. In previous problem we find the largest number, but in this problem we will find the smallest number. Okay, let's change the function name. Here I am giving smallest number. Okay, here I am giving smallest number as calling function. Okay, smallest number as calling function. In the smallest number you pass the array. Okay, next return max opposite min, right? Okay, here min is the list word. Okay, min is the list word, and as well as this is the calling function. Okay, this also you have to change as calling function. Very simple, friends. Okay, very simple. Okay, in this problem you have to find the smallest number. The smallest number means this smallest number is a calling function. Okay, inside the calling function you pass an array. Then the list method of smallest number is the min. Okay, this is the method. Okay, min is a method. To find the smallest number in the array you have to print like this. Okay, smallest number is a calling function. Inside you have to write the array list. Okay, here I wrote two, so I am removing this. See, this is the array. Okay, this is the elements of array. In this find the smallest number, then see the output. Here see, 7 is the smallest number. Okay, 7 is the smallest number. Okay, 7 is the smallest number. In this way we have to find the smallest number. Okay, let's have a look into another problem. Friends, now we see the third problem. Find the second largest element in an array. Okay, find the second largest element in an array. First take the default function. Next take as calling function. Here I am taking a calling function as second largest. Okay, second largest. See here, second largest. In the second largest I am passing an array. Okay, I am passing an array. Now I am taking one variable unique array. Unique array. Why I am taking this? First, randomly array means in that so many elements are there. Okay, those elements not in proper order. There is no ascending order. There is no descending order. As well as so many duplicates are in array. Okay, first we have to remove those duplicates. Then after we have to set the proper order. Okay, we have to set proper order. Then after we have to print. Here what he is asking? He is asking second largest. Second largest means the number must be the list of, okay, the complete list. Okay, or first we have to arrange in ascending order. Okay, before that we have to remove the duplicates. Okay, for that duplicates, first I am converting array into list method. Okay, first whatever array is there, that array I want to converting into list. Okay, by converting into list we have to use list method. We have to use list method. Then after, if I want to remove some duplicates, suppose in that array any duplicates are there, I want to remove those duplicates. Here we are using set method. Okay, here we are using set method. Okay, set method. In set method I am passing an array. Okay, in set method I am passing an array. Okay, I will show you practically. Okay, now I am, these two lines I am keeping in, keeping as comments. I will show you one random array is equal to, okay, random elements I am giving. Here I am passing one list. Okay, here I am passing one list. In this list I have 89 is duplicate. Okay, here 89 is one duplicate is there. I am giving one more duplicate, 23. Okay, here 23 one duplicate is there, and as well as 89 is also duplicates are there. First I want to remove these duplicates. For that purpose, print first this array I want to converting into list. Okay, I want to converting. Suppose before applying list, what happened, right? The set method default, it will print as a set. Okay, set. I will show you once. Set of array. Okay, set of array. Print set of array. See what happened here. Already the duplicates elements removed. Okay, here 89 are not there. Okay, here 89 are not there, and as well as 23 is also not there. Okay, only one element is there. Duplicates removed. Here 89 not there, as well as 23 is also not there. But the complete element, the all elements are printed as a set. Okay, this is set I want to converting into list, means at that time here we are applying list method. Okay, here we are applying list method. See, now this is completely printed as list. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Now we will dive into problem. Now see this. Okay, now see this. Here the multiple selected elements, the multiple line, sorry, the multiple selected lines we are converting into comments. The shortcut is control forward slash. Okay, control forward slash. Okay, like this, select multiple lines and click control forward slash. Suppose you want to deselect this, same again, control forward slash. Okay, now see unique array. Okay, unique array. Next, this suppose now duplicates are removed. Okay, now duplicates are removed. Now this list I want to set as proper order. Okay, for proper order means ascending order. Okay, 1 to 10, 20 to 30, likewise. That's why print unique array dot sort. Okay, unique array dot sort. Okay, this sort method we are using for ascending order. Okay, the sort method we are using for ascending order. Now see, now you have to print here what he is asking, what is the second largest. Okay, the second largest means return. Okay, return. Next, unique array, what the second largest means, here you take minus 2 as index, minus 2 as index. See, ascending order means small number to big number. Okay, small number to big number means suppose 1 to 10, 10 numbers are there. Here 10 is the big number. Okay, in when the index concept, okay, in index concept, the last, okay, when we are comparing with, when we are doing when we are addressing with negative index, the last element is minus 1. Okay, the last element is minus 1. The before the last element, that before element is minus 2. Okay, the largest element is minus 1, the second largest element is minus 2. That's why the index we are writing as minus 2. Okay, the index we are writing as minus 2. Okay, suppose the second largest means the list of element is based on the length. Okay, the list of element is based on the length. Suppose this is more than the length of the length is more than 2, at that time you have to print this. Suppose less means what we have to do. That's why here we are using ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator. See, suppose if, okay, if the length of, okay, the length of array, okay, the length of array, whatever may be unique array you have to write. Okay, the length of array is greater than or is equal to 2. The greater than or is equal to 2, you have to print this. Okay, the length of the array is greater than or is equal to 2, you have to print this. Then otherwise, else print none. Okay, there is nothing. Okay, now this is the program for second largest element. Okay, this is the program for second largest element. Now you have to print. Now here I am passing, okay, second largest is a calling function. Inside you pass some list of elements. Okay, pass some list of elements. See here. Okay, list of elements. Okay, see what is the second largest, I also don't know. Now print this. Yeah, 234 is the second largest element. 234 is the second largest element. This one second largest element. Highest one is the 356. Okay. Likewise, you have to print. Suppose here I want to change elements. Here I am writing 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. Okay, here 10 elements I given. Here what is the second largest? 9 is the second largest. Now see the output. Here 9 is the second largest. Okay, in this way we have to write a program, friends. I hope you understand. Okay, next dive into another problem, friends. Now see the fourth problem. Reverse an array. Okay, reverse an array. Now take define reverse array as a calling function, passing an array. Now for reverse an array, the method is the reverse method. Okay, the method is the reverse method. Then take array dot sorted. Sorry, array dot reverse as a method. Now return array. Now return array. Now see reverse an array. Okay, reverse an array, passing list. Okay, here I am giving, see 1 to 9 numbers I am giving here. Okay, 1 to 9 numbers I am giving here. See, reverse means here ascending order is there. Reverse means it will print descending order. Okay, it will print descending order. See the output. Okay, here there is no output. Why? Because here I didn't mention the print. Okay, here I didn't mention print. That's why. Now see, this is the descending order. Okay, this is the reverse order. Okay, this is the reverse order. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's dive into another problem. Friends, now see the fifth problem. Check if an array is sorted or not. Okay, if it is sorted, print as true. Okay, if it's not sorted, print is false. Okay, here first, what is the meaning of sorted? Already I told you, right? Sorted means it's a order, proper and perfect order. Okay, it's a proper and perfect order. For an example, take as it's ascending order. Okay, take as it's ascending order. Let's have a look to it. Here I'm define a function is sorted. Okay, is sorted as a calling function I am taking. Now inside passing an array. Okay, here the inside this passing parameters we are calling as arguments. Okay, okay, arguments. Now see here. Now return array is equal sorted method. Okay, already I told you, right? Sorted. Sort means proper arrangement. Sorted means completed arrangement. Okay, sorted array. Okay, sorted array. Now see, suppose this condition satisfied, it will print true. Okay, it will print true. Remaining all conditions, it will print false. Okay, now see the output. Print is sorted, passing an array. Now see here, I am giving one array. Okay, now I am giving one array. See the output. See, this is false. Okay, this is false. Why? Because there is no proper and perfect order. Okay, there is no proper and perfect order. Now see this. Now, what is the output for this list? This is the true. Why? Because this is proper order. Okay, this is proper order. Okay, now this is the program, friends. I hope you understand. Okay, now this is for this video. Now this complete video is the problems on data structures. Okay, problems on data structures. Now here we are doing on arrays. Okay, now we are doing on arrays, and these are very basic level problems, but in this video we discussed what is the set method, what is the sort method, what is the sorted method, what is the reverse method, Okay, this type of what is maximum, what is minimum. Okay, these all methods we discussed in this video. Okay, these are very important. Please all of you keep in mind methods. List method, these list methods are very important. Please all of you keep in mind. Okay, and as well as, suppose if you want to select multiple lines as comments, you click on control forward slash. Suppose if you deselect that, again control forward slash. Okay, these points we learned in this video. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. Okay, next, uh, with more problems we will meet in another video. Thank you so much, friends.